Hello, this is Susan Morris, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips on using the cleaning paste. The cleaning paste is one of our top 10 products that Norwex sells, and it's probably my second favorite thing after the EnviroCloth and the window cloth, dust mitt, some of that EnviroCloth stuff. But I love the cleaning paste. I use it for many things, and that is why I'm coming on today to give you some tips on using the cleaning paste. This tub will last you probably 1.5 years to 2 years. It's made out of marble flour, natural soap, and traces of coconut oil. So it's safe. It's safe to use on any of your food dishes or pots and pans, coffee pots. It's a safe product to use. Of course, it's Norwex, right? Everything Norwex does is safe. That's why we sell Norwex. But it's also called elbow grease in a jar. So it's a great product. It's just kind of a powdery, like you can't really see it really well, but it's kind of like a powder-like thing that you just, I'll show you how. So the way when we are at vendor shows, the way we demo the cleaning paste is we use a permanent marker on a piece of tile. And I just did a heart today. And I usually use the Enviro sponge, which of course I forgot to get wet. So I get it wet here a little bit, and you just scrape just a little bit on it, not very much. It doesn't take much. You can see it's on the corner there. And this is permanent marker. It easily removes permanent marker, and it's gone. So I've taken permanent marker off of even carpet on people's stairs and different things, when their kids have done something they shouldn't do. So I saved the kids to clean it up for them. Yes. The Sperry sponge is really a great thing. In fact, when I use the cleaning paste, I almost always use the Sperry sponge with it because it doesn't scratch anything, and it's great for glass top stoves. If you have glass top stoves, the cleaning paste and this work really well together. But I don't know, I prefer the Sperry sponge when I use it. So, but sometimes, for instance, on my stovetop, and unfortunately, I'm a Norwex consultant, so my stove's pretty clean, but I did find something. I don't know if you could see it. See those little black marks? Yeah, so I have something I could demo. Sometimes it's hard for me to find stuff to demo on. But this is the Sperry net, and I usually use it with a bowl of water. This is good. You can clean your oven with the cleaning paste and the Sperry net. The Sperry net will scratch things, so I always use it with a bowl of water. But I'll take the Sperry net, and I'll just rub it across the cleaning paste a little bit, so you can see that it's on there. And then we've got all those black marks on there. So yeah, with the oven, it'll clean up your oven good too, although I prefer using our oven and grill cleaner. It's just so fast and easy. But the cleaning paste will do it too if that's all you have. So let me wipe it dry here with our window cloth. You can see it's all gone. It's so simple. So that's one of the things I use the cleaning paste for. Another thing is if you have a stainless steel sink or a porcelain sink, it really cleans those up well. Now if you have other stainless steel appliances, you can use the cleaning paste on them. If it's the brushed stainless steel, it's not recommended for that because of the brush lines, but I have, when there's been a mark that's been really tough to get out of somebody's fridge or dishwasher, I have very gently taken the cleaning paste with the EnviroCloth and just use that really gently, and that'll take off stuff. But you have to be careful on brushed stainless steel. But when it comes to sinks and so many things, the cleaning paste works well. So I've done the stove top for you. Oh, and a pan. So I found a pan that has, you can see, let's see, like right here is some rust marks. So probably with that, I could use any of these things. I think I'll use my tuck scratcher on that one, the Sperry Net. And I'll just put some cleaning paste on it again. And we'll go after this one right here. And you just scrub it. So it's good taking rust off of things too. It's good for a lot of different, it's good for chrome. I mean, the cleaning paste is like my second favorite product. So I just scrubbed a little bit, and you can see that that rust spots that was right there is gone. So it takes rust to clean the bottoms of your pans really well. What else? Oh, in the bathroom, it's great in the bathroom on your tub, your chrome fixtures, your glass shower doors. It'll take off those watermarks even on your outside windows. Soap scum, it'll take off soap scum, although I prefer using our descaler. It's just really fast. And but if you don't have descaler, the cleaning paste works really well for that too. Floors are interesting. It'll take scuff marks off, and I have to tell you this story because I can't demo it. I don't have anything here to demo with, but when we were down in Texas visiting my family down there, they had a friend who had just bought a house, and the whole, down in Texas, all these Spanish-style homes are full of tile. Well, she had grout in her tile, which was really basically the whole first level of her home that was just really in bad condition. It was really grody, and she had tried everything, just everything to clean it up, even some heavy-duty power stuff, and it didn't clean it up. So I went over there, and this is when I was brand new to Norwex. I thought, well, try it, So I got the cleaning paste, and I got a bowl of water, and I think I used a really hard toothbrush, and it cleaned up that grout like nothing. It just cleaned it up really well. So it's really good. Your grout should be sealed to use it, but if you have sealed grout, the cleaning paste will clean your grout just really easy and really well. So that's another thing you can do. What else? Oh, white textured tables. It works good on, it even works good on your vehicles. On your headlights, it works good to clean up your headlights with. A lot of people love it for that. And tire rims, I have to tell you another story. Same time I was down in Texas, and I won't tell you who it was, but it was a used car salesman who came to my sister's house, and he had these, a used car he was trying to sell, but there was brake dust on his wheels of this car, and he couldn't get it clean for anything. He had tried like power washers, all kinds of stuff that he had bought to try to get it off. And so I said, well, try the cleaning paste. So he took the cleaning paste out with just a cloth, and it came right off. I mean, he just put this on the cloth, and it came right off these chrome wheels. So men love it too. Really, seriously, the cleaning paste is good for wonderful things. Another thing that I've done with it that's kind of different is sandals. You can see this sandal is gross. It's dirty. So normally with my sandals, I just take my EnviroCloth. And remember, when you use your EnviroCloth, you fold it and force. It's just easier that way. And I'll just rub some of the cleaning paste on my cloth. And we'll go after maybe this mark right here. Of course, I'll have to clean the whole shoe when I get off of here. But so it's good for cleaning your summer sandals. And yeah, you can see that mark is gone. I cleaned right in this area. So I need to get the rest of this, because when I get done, it'll be white like this around the edges. I did them before a couple summers ago, and it cleaned up the whole sandal. So that works good. I might use my Sperry sponge with it just to give a little extra cleaning power. But yeah, it'll clean sandals up really well. I can do a little bit up here, but it'll be wet, so I guess it won't show so much. Another thing that it's good for, and if you have children with tennis shoes, or my tennis shoes, you can see, oh, the bottom looks terrible too. I found these tennis shoes laying out there, and I don't know, but it's really, really, really dirty. So I think I'll take the Sperry sponge and I'll work on this a little bit. As you can tell, it doesn't take, I'm going to work right in the middle here. It doesn't take much scrubbing or work, which is nice. I appreciate the fact that it doesn't take much work. Because personally, I don't like to work that hard. Huh. So let's see here. And I'll wipe it with the cloth. So you can, hopefully you can see that I just cleaned this one little spot right here. You can see how dirty it is here and how dirty it is here, but how clean that looks. So it works really good on cleaning tennis shoes too. So that's just some of the uses for the cleaning paste. There's just many, many, many. And I have pulled paint, old paint, 10-year-old paint out of carpet with the cleaning paste. Yeah. So if your EnviroCloth is not enough scrubbing power, get out your cleaning paste and use your cleaning paste, because this is elbow grease in a jar. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.